Good morning, little children. Today we are back with the lesson Little by Little. This is a poem of class 3, Marigold Tree. Let's start with the question answer of textbook. And here we are, reading is fun. So the first question is, name the tree that the acorn grows into. Okay, this is the first question. So start writing answer from the acorn grows into an, write down an oak tree. What's come to the second question? What things does a seed need to grow? According to you, a seed under the soil, under the ground, a seed need to grow. What are the things? 1, 2, 3. What are the things which a seed need to grow? So a seed need to grow soil, moisture, air and sunlight. Okay, and here moisture is water. Okay, now question number 3. How many describing words can you find in the poem? First of all, students, tell me what are describing words. What, according to you, describing words? As the name suggests, describing, which describes something. Okay, which describes something. And what is the meaning of describe? Giving information or explaining something. Given information or explaining something. So, the word little, mossy, each, deep, thread-like structure, tiny roots, slender branches, mighty oak tree. So these are the words which describe what? An oak tree. Yes or no? An oak tree. So these are the words which describe an oak tree. Okay, now let's come to the next question. Question number 2. Talk time. In question number talk time, question number 1, look at 2 pictures. Find 4 things that are different about these trees and also talk about that. So this is tree A and this is tree B. Okay, picture 1 and picture 2. There are 2 pictures and this tree is happy. See, this tree is happy and this tree is sad. So let's see. Tree A is happy, as we have to write differences about these 2 trees. So tree A is happy and tree B is sad. Tree A is getting everything. Okay, tree A is getting everything. What are the things which tree A is getting? Tree A is getting all the things which a tree need, which a seed need. What are those? Soil, moisture, air, sunlight and love of children. Love of children. Okay, and tree A is getting everything that needs to grow properly, while tree B is not getting these things to grow. Okay, now come to the third point. Tree A is able to give us several useful things. This gives several useful things. And tree B is able to, what are the things which a tree gives us? Oxygen. Okay, oxygen and cotton, medicine, food, fruit, cereals and, tell me fast, wood and so many things, and greenery to our environment. So there are so many things which a tree gives us to live. Okay, happily, safely, fresh, to feel fresh. And tree B is not able to give us anything because this tree is already in pain. This tree is in pain. Why this tree is in pain? Because we didn't care about this tree. We throw useless things waste material, we didn't care about this tree, we didn't give water to this, and we spoil the environment, we cut the branches of this tree. So in this way this tree B is in pain. Okay. Last fourth point, one can breathe fresh air under the tree A. If we sit under the tree A, we can breathe fresh air. We feel the freshness of the air. But what about tree B? There is so many pollution under this tree. Okay. So there is no fresh air under the tree B. Come to the let's write section. Look at the picture 1. Write 3 sentences on what the trees gives us. So trees gives us fresh air to breathe. Trees gives us fruits and vegetable. They gives us valuable timber. And what is timber, students? The wood, the material made by wood. Okay, wooden material. Question 2. Now look at the picture 2. This is picture 2. Write 3 sentences on how we harm the trees. How we harm the tree, as I discussed before. We cut wood from trees for our needs. Yes or no? We cause pollution by destroying trees. We force birds and animals to go away by cutting trees. We are not giving water. The duty of watering plants, we are not doing that duty by heart. So in this way this tree B is in pain. Question number 3. These words describe parts of a tree. As we already know, there are so many parts of a tree. So let's discuss. Write them in the given space. Word 1. Word first. Stem. It helps the tree to stand upright. Okay, as I discussed, this is root, this is shoot, and this part, this all parts is shoot. SHOOT, shoot. But this strong body which help tree to stand upright, straight, this is called stem. Okay. Outer covering brown colored of a tree, bark. A tree have a brown color outer covering. That skin of the tree. Brown skin of the tree is bark. BARK. Okay. Now let's read the third word. The third word is leaves. Green leaves prepare food for the tree. Okay, as we know, trees have green leaves. Branch, an arm like part of a tree that bear leaves. Branches of a tree. So these are the branches of a tree. Twigs. Small shoots growing from a branch or stem. Strong shoot. These are the twigs. Okay, these are the twigs. The second last is root. Part of a plant or tree that grows into the earth, under the earth. Shoot, a young branch or new growth of a plant. Or we can say the upper part of a plant is shoot and the lower part of the plants are roots. Okay, so I hope all these are clear to you. Now let's discuss the last one. Match the opposites. One has been done for you. So mighty and weak. As I told you, mighty is powerful, stronger. So the opposite of mighty is weak. And remember students, WEEK. This is days of a week. 7 days makes 1 week. Okay. This is double E is week, 7 days of a week. But weak, this means opposite of stronger, opposite of mighty, weak. Okay, so let's come to the first one, downward. So opposite of downward is upward. Slowly means little by little. So opposite of this is fast. And what is opposite? Opposite is antonyms. Okay. Little means little, and little means small, and the opposite of little is big. Slender is thin. Okay, so opposite of slender is fat. Mighty, strong, and opposite of mighty is weak. And day, opposite of day is night. So I think this is clear to all of you. That's all for today's class. Have a nice day. Be healthy and safe. Love you all.